Welcome to the video. We are going to solve count all possible path. The other name for this question is finding whether our Euler circuit exists or not. So Euler circuit consists of a path in a existing Euler path, okay, where there are two conditions. First, we have to consider only the non-zero elements. We have to consider only the non-zero elements. Okay, so in this question, see the path is the adjacency matrix, adjacency list. Okay, no, we have to see only the non-zero, which is the one element in this question. Cool. Second, for those non-zero elements, the in degree of all the node should be even. If a path is coming towards them, then there should be at least one path which is going away from them, outside from them. Which means the degree of a node should be the degree of node should be even number, and that is what we will look into this question, and we will solve this question in a single line. I'll tell you. But first of all, I have constructed the matrix given in example one into a graph. So this is one first thing. Okay, so this is the graph I plotted from the given adjacency list in the example one. See, we have to see if all the edges have degree even degree or not. See, every node has even degree, has even degree. Cool. Now first, how we will begin? Let's say we start from the one. From the one, we'll go three, one, three, four, five. Again back to one. But we missed out two. Okay, so we have to reconsider a path. Okay, I will go 1, 3, 4, 5, then again 1, then 4, 2, 1. Yeah, we covered all the nodes, all the edges, and we came back to the same starting point. Okay, I will reiterate the path which I chose in this question: 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 4, 2, 1. So this is what Euler circuit states. If you're starting from a point, you have to cover all the nodes and you have to return back at the same starting index. If both these two things are possible, you have found a path. I have also attached a Medium article link which I wrote today for more information and for more understanding in this question. So here we are implementing one line solution, which I will do. So I have to return uh, uh, in integer format, 1 or 0 format, because my solution will return the boolean answer. We are using the all function of the Python, and we will find the sum of all the nodes. So sum of a particular node, okay, which if it is even or not, which means this means the degree is even or not. If the degree is even, degree, okay, the path existing from particular point, okay, if it is even, then we have found a Euler circuit. Okay, let me submit and test. Yeah, it did the job pretty effortlessly. I hope you were able to learn a new concept. And again, to reiterate, I have attached a Medium article link. You can go through it to understand in a better way. Thank you. Have a nice day.